how to fix Valorant connection error easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, all you need to do first just type here updates, check for updates, click on it. Now once you're here on Windows Update, now just click just install all the updates that you can install, and then type here device manager, and now just click display, update your GPU drivers, update and search automatically for drivers, and now go to network adapters. Now just update all the drivers here, update, 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 and that's it. Update all of those, and after that just go back and restart your PC, and that's it. Your problem is fixed, and see you in the next video.